Hello everyone, this is Guru Prasan K from 3D Fully Design.
Wish you all a joyful, wealthful, colorful New Year 2025. Let's celebrate New Year with some 3D features. This is a cast alloy steel metal block of 240 by 80 by 20 mm with 4 corner rounds and front all around chamfer. A sketch text of numeral 2025 with Arial font with different colors for a colorful new year. Then let's emboss and deboss it. Embossed 2025. Debossed 2025. This is a pick and place mechanism for a conveyor system. Happy New Year 2025 with pick and place mechanism of a conveyor system. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.